Let's make beautiful lighting that looks like an outdoor shoot. When shooting outdoors on a lightly overcast day, the light is soft, so you can take beautiful pictures of women. In this video, we will recreate outdoor lighting using a flash. First, let's look at the differences in quality of lighting depending on the accessories and bands. We are using the Godox 8200 flash. The model will be photographed in casual clothing. First, we'll try aiming the light directly at the person. The distance from the subject is about 2 meters. The light is very hard, so there are strong shadows. If you want a cool image, this direction is okay. Next, we make the light softer by placing a large 3-foot by 6-foot diffuser panel in front of the flash. Because the flash and the diffuser are near to each other, the light is slightly softer, but still too hard. We want the light even softer, so we'll move the diffuser to 1.5 meters distance from the flash. When separating the flash and the diffuser, the flashed light will hit a large area of the diffuser, therefore making the light softer. The light has become quite a bit softer. However, if the flash is too far away from the diffuser, the light from the flash will leak out from the diffuser and that light will be hard, so be careful not to place them too far apart. Next, we use the Godox parabolic softbox. It's about 70 centimeters in diameter, so it will make the light a little harder. First, we try aiming the light directly at the person. The light is a little hard, but we were able to photograph a wonderful ambience. I like this kind of hard lighting. You can take a cool photo. However, we do want the light to be softer, so we place the diffuser in front of the softbox. The light is very soft. The subject also appears softer. Next, we try bouncing the softbox off the white brick wall on the left. The size of the light that hits the wall is big, so the light is very soft. The subject is at a far distance from the white wall, so the light will be spread over the entire area. Lastly, we want to make the shadows lighter, so we add a white reflector on the opposite side. The shadow will be brighter, and it will look like a photo was taken outside on a cloudy day. With a hot light, you can take a cool photo. But with casual clothes, softer light matches better. Also, when photographing a male subject, it's okay to make the contrast higher. And if you photograph without a reflector board, the shadow will be darker and will look very cool. Well, everyone, did you understand how to soften light and make the shoot look like daylight? Please try it out.